Yeah, dude, the Solana coins are going to zero right now. I don't know if I would be panic buying, actually. I take that back. Yeah, a lot of the Solana scams are going to zero. Did you guys see? Oh, I think AMC bounced today. Dude, AMC and GameStop are going to zero, man. It's getting really bad. But these are the kind of coins that, like, just go to rubbish and then they go like this. So, Ribbit. I guess Ribbit sucks. I like Ribbit, though. I just don't have any buying power. Yeah, but $3,000, bro, that's gotta be the bottom. Close to it. $3,000 was 40 grand 2 months ago. Yeah, I like Ribbit. Greta is mooning. Yeah, but I'm not getting, no, I'm not getting lost in this nonsense, bro. I have my game plan. I can't, see, but that's what I understand that I'm not Pie Man. Pie Man does good. Pie Man does that shit. I'm not Pie Man, so I give up. I just have to sit and wait my turn. My time is coming. I just have to wait and be patient. My time is coming, though. I can feel it. Especially since Dogewan is waiting for me. I might just go right into Dogewan. Dude, that would be so poetic if it actually came back to me. A trillion coins is 250,000. Dude, if Dogewan breaks down here, dude, now I'm getting excited, bro. If I could get a trillion Dogewan, dude, that's it right there, $6 million. Now I'm getting excited again, fools. I need my coins to pump, though. That's the problem. Where's Nicole Brown Simpson? I have no idea what that means. Do I have a picture of one up before the halving? I have no idea. The halving is irrelevant to me, bro. If we don't rally in April, I would be disappointed, and I would be surprised. My coins are going sideways for almost 3 months now. I know, bro. It's been rough. It's actually a miracle that I managed to grow my portfolio. That's why I'm not overreacting. It's actually a miracle that I managed to get my portfolio up. My coins, so you don't have Rip OJ. Yeah, somebody said that before. I'm assuming something happened. Oh yeah, while you guys are here, let me show my Twitter tools. I actually subscribed to Premium. So if you guys check the description, you guys can see all the links. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers on Twitter. Why not? Oh no, my computer's frozen.
always in control of the when and where in our lives.
Yeah, yes, I'll get you those figures today.
Mom, check it out. I learned a new song.
When and where you choose to do something can make all the difference. At University of Phoenix, we make it easy to balance work, family, and school. Plus, with online classes 24/7, you get the freedom to learn when and where you want. Start your degree in tech, healthcare, or business today at phoenix.edu.
Got some good tunes going here. Let me know if you guys could hear. We have hit $3.60. I believe we are in new all-time highs. Looking to see if we can get up to that next retracement level. Target $3.85. I'd be happy with that today. We've already had a great day so far. I think by the end of the day you can do it. We got a lot of time left. We'll see. We'll see what the rest of the market does too. Hey! Welcome, welcome. So, when to sell? Toughest question. I can't tell you. Depends how much you have in there. So, if you haven't hedged yet, hedging means taking out your initial investment. So, say you put $100 in, you're up to $3,000 right now. At least take $100 out, because then the rest of it, riding on it, you're not losing anything. You at least secured what you put into it. And also the other question is, have you had it in for longer than a year, and are you gonna have to pay capital gains tax or the short-term tax? Or if it's in longer than a year, then it's only like 20-something% tax, and at that point you feel more comfortable of taking a larger amount out because it won't be taxed as much. If this is a holding that you bought in low and you have a lot of it, we're looking at really good times to sell. But previous all-time high was up in this like $4 range here, low fours. The market's bigger now, and this moving before Bitcoin does in a bull run, very exciting. There's always something that tells what's going to happen with the rest of the market first, and it seems like it's Propy. This is leading the bull run, like Solana did during the first leg. Now this is the second leg going into the third, reaching that all-time high. I think it has potential to break above 4, get into the $6 range. And once we get in the $6 range, I would feel comfortable selling it all. Could run up to $10 and surprise us, but in the history of Propy, it does spike-like motions. Like if we go, we're gonna go to the all chart. That's not enough. Let's go 1 year. We can't go back far enough, but when it does move, it just spikes. I don't want to listen to ads. Come on.
Then climb to the peak of a snowy mountaintop. Then once you get there, keep going.
All right, so this is definitely a good time to hedge on your investment. I wouldn't say sell it all though. Oh, 200 for the first time. Okay, all right. So you're getting the capital gains. You're better leave it in there for a year, but the other thing you got to think about, where will this be in a year? Will this coin already be retracing after the Bitcoin bull run? I'm no expert, but the BlackRock CEO, he's projecting Bitcoin all-time high in Q4, so that's December 2024, which you got now. So you're still at that point when we're reaching all-time highs. It's at 363 right now. This is crazy. She running. Yeah, I think this is one that you're gonna want to hedge on. Not financial advice, but it's gonna be a short-term trade anyway. You're gonna have to pay the capital gains taxes on it. By hedging out, I mean, your 200 you just put in yesterday, so it's not like you put in down at the bottom here at like 50 cents and saw those gains. If you don't mind, throw out your buy-in price in the chat. But honestly, even yesterday, sitting at 320, you're up 40 cents. Hey, still good money. Still good money. Good trade. What made you invest in this crypto project is my question. Or was it just the price action in general? Only green thing in crypto lately. 365. Let's go. Keep pumping. Discovery mode is coming for all these cryptos. So I don't want to move out of Propy just yet and miss some 20% green days that are coming for the rest of the market. But it is freaky that this is moving and nothing else is. It's nerve-wracking. It makes you want to sell. But I'm a big holder, especially in that long term. Try to beat the capital gains and taxes on it. And another reason why I invested in Propy was because maybe one day, I don't have a lot of Bitcoin, but you can buy houses in crypto now through this Propy real estate app. Depends where you live too. They can only sell houses in like Florida, Colorado, and another state. So depending on where you live, you may have the chance to buy a house with crypto one day. And these Propy coins pay for the taxes and any kind of transaction cost that the company makes when you're giving them your Bitcoin, and they're actually buying that house for you with the Bitcoin. You need to also give them a percentage of Propy coin. You need to convert your Bitcoin to Propy coin, and I think that's why we're seeing this huge shoot up, because Bitcoin's around all-time high. This is when people start to think, hey, I think I'm going to use some of my Bitcoin to put a down payment on a house. And I think that's the kind of sentiment in the market right now. That's what people are thinking. Bitcoin is inflated, but not in all-time highs yet. But people are starting to think about rotating over their Bitcoin into the housing market, because the housing market is so dang expensive right now, especially in the US. Up 30%? No way. Found it on YouTube. FOMO, normal Andy stuff. Well, this FOMO worked out well for you, man. With a function. Ah. You've been into AI-based coins, right on. Modularity coin. This one in my last video I recorded yesterday. I still got to come out with it. TIA. Look into that symbol. Put it in the chat here. It's like a modularity coin. I really don't understand the full concept of it, but they have a lot of master nodes. I like all the staking options in crypto if it's a good project, but my number one crypto is XRP. I love XRP. Big holder of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Matic I like. Compound is another big one I'm in. Ethereum, like storage kind of crypto. And a crypto that I think is still low, that's still early to get into, is Litecoin. And I'll show you why. So this is my accumulation range, I call it, in the red here. And it's one of the only cryptos that's still sitting in this range here. Just want to show you more. You know what I mean? Like, what has happened already is Bitcoin's already went up to this level. But Litecoin is lagging. XRP is lagging, XLM. There are laggards in the market, just like Propy is the leading. Solana is leading, because like you go to Solana's chart, and they're already up in that blue mark. But you look at Litecoin, they're down here. I trade this simply. I really do. On the motion that all boats rise. And that when the money's coming into crypto, all crypto should show positive results. And Litecoin's been around for a while. There's a lot of miners in it. A lot of companies partner with Litecoin mining, but yet no one really talks about it. So I'm bullish on it. I like it. Not financial advice, but just timing wise. Like, are you going to put $100 into this? Or are you going to put $100 into Bitcoin that's already breaking above all-time highs? That's the question. That is the question. This is my line here where I think Bitcoin's going to top out at. It's 100,000, 95 to 100,000. But thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. Let me know if the music's too loud or anything. TIA, yeah. Celestia, yep. That's the one. So I like the masternode part of it, where you can give the company crypto, and then they're going to send you back crypto every month. And then once the bull run happens, you could unfreeze all of that crypto from the company. And then you accrued thousands of these tokens through passive income, and you can just sell it off. Look into Pack Masternode is one I'm big into. I have like a how-to video on how to get started. One of the cheapest masternodes to get started. Alright, I gotta keep working here. Let's go back to Propy. No, I didn't want to do that. Oh no, we're falling below the support. So now once you come below a support line like we are now, we're hoping for a retest. Goes below, comes back above, and starts showing some more bullish activity. This chart action has been so bullish. Like if we go back to the breakout here, look at this channel it's made. Higher lows. I called this last night. This is the high, and just continuously higher lows until it broke above this resistance line here. Broke above, came back, retested, boom, shot up, came back down, boom, shot up, came back down. And we're gonna see when it comes back down. This is you're gonna notice this as we enter this next bull run. All these retests after it goes up and comes back down, it likes to sit around where the previous run ended up at that high. It'll find that support around that high, which in this scenario is this 348 mark that we're around now. So let's watch how it kind of forms and consolidates around this line. And again, the goal of the day is to get up into that 380 mark. Let's get it. Tell your friends about Propy. Get some real estate. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be watching all these cryptos pump soon. Listen to some tunes, some pump it up. And then going over when are opportunistic times to sell. And going over personally with each person in here, like, alright, is it worth it for me or not to? Like, I can only speak for myself and the holdings I know I have. But I'm willing to help others, man. I'm happy all of you guys are getting exposed to crypto. Because everyone who I talk to, family, friends, it's a bubble, they're nervous about investing in it. So that's why I'm here and showing it with you guys, is because this is something I care about and I've had success with. I want to share it with all you guys. I want to grow together. I don't want to be the only one in 10, 12 years telling you guys this story of how I got invested in crypto and how it made me well off. I want to share and all grow together, and then we could all vacation together on a tropical island somewhere. That's what it's all about. But welcome everybody. It's going to be pretty chill in here. Oh, we got another message here in the chat. Let's see. Thinking it's like aerodrome, near, render. Oh, definitely. And I like how you're looking at other coins except for Bitcoin. The biggest thing for you is to be patient. Bitcoin's going to have to go first. It's going to have to reach its all-time high, and then once it starts to correct from that is when the waterfall of all that money in Bitcoin will start to go to Ethereum. We really didn't see this altcoin rally the last bull run, whether it's because of XRP in a lawsuit. Some altcoins saw it. NFTs was huge last bull run. Not seeing that same kind of momentum in that space, but maybe it comes again. We'll see. But I like all those holdings. I don't know Aerodrome that much. If you want to join the Discord, these are some cool cryptos that I'd like to get exposed to. Think you could find my Discord? Oh, it's right there on the stream. CryptoHound_69. Or just reach out to me on Instagram, and then I'll just send you the link. Whatever's easier. I've heard a lot about Near, Render, I can't read that other one. Internet? Oh, is that ICP? I like ICP. But there's a high risk in ICP, but there's definitely a lot of room for growth. Comp, too. You getting into comp? Very excited. That gets... And I bought comp at around like 35 bucks. And I'm like double my investment right now. Comp will easily go to 110, 120. It already did like a couple months ago. We're looking at that like $300 range for comp. And that'll be a nice hedge. And we'll see if we go further. Fetch AI is popular. AI is huge, but the one thing I look at is the normal US stock market, and it sounds like you're jumping into AI when Nvidia, Microsoft, Intel, all those stocks over there. ICP, yeah. What is comp though? Oh, internet comp. Gotcha. Compound. Take a look at it. I'm a big chart guy. I liked the compound chart because it had a high of $300, and it was sitting around $20 at the time. And doing the math there, I'm like, if this breaks out above all-time high, like I'm hoping everything else will, that is a lot of X's. That's a huge percent gain. So I figured buying low, and I ended up accumulating a lot during like this past fall, 2023, when it bottomed. So I got really lucky there. Nice. And look at this. Propy retesting that support line from the previous push up. Came back down, retested it, and now we're pushing back up again. What did I say? It's that previous push up. It'll come back down to build support on it, and then keep on going. But looking at compound, I think you would fit great in our server, man. It's really not that busy yet, and I will give you all the one-on-one advice you want for crypto, because I love talking about it. Usually bother people at work about it, but I gotta keep working over here. I love the questions though. I could even pull up the compound chart if you want. Just keep peppering me. 354. Come on, Propy. What do you say?
Even if you don't have a Kroger store nearby, still get Kroger groceries delivered that are guaranteed fresh. Our refrigerated trucks and professional drivers will
Dream
bring
come
everything you
true.
need from the store to your door. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Be sure to enjoy $25 off your first 2 Kroger delivery orders with your digital coupon. $35 order minimum. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Good song. What a remix. What in the world? No lyrics? Or else it's copyrighted? Damn. That's tough.
hold your hand every step of the way. From our one-click sign-up, mobile apps, and 24/7 availability, we make it easy to get your case started right from the comfort of your couch. All firms are not the same. Injured? The choice is easy. Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm. Visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
If your lawn looks more like a desert than an oasis, then you know that lawn care isn't easy. If it were, everyone would do it, as well as TruGreen does it. In just 3 easy steps, TruGreen's online tools help customize a treatment plan for you, and it's all backed by the TruGreen guarantee. Go to TruGreen.com today to start your 3 easy steps and save 50% off your first application. It's time to trust your experts at TruGreen. Live life outside.
What about these GPU data share space? ICH, whatever it is, cryptos. GPU data. Node AI. Gotta write that one down and look into some TA. Let's see if I can find it on here. You got the symbol for it? Node AI. I don't know, I'm not seeing it. Let me know if there's a symbol or something for it. Maybe look at the chart.
anniversary with great deals all month long at Jacksonville Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram Bay Meadows. Drive a brand new Ram truck and save up to $12,000 off MSRP. Come to I-295 and Bay Meadows for a test drive. Get finance today at a price and payment to fit your budget. Jacksonville Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, only at I-295 and Bay Meadows.
Thank you guys for joining, though. It's great everyone's here. Been investing in crypto since the last bull run, before the last bull run, so like 2019. First got my big boy job. And invested in some U.S. stocks as well. Got a Roth IRA, but crypto is definitely the most volatile and the place you want to go to if you're looking to make money. Period. People don't like crypto because it's volatile. I like it for the exact opposite reason. Thank you guys for jumping in here. We are back above $3.50. We had a fun little drawing here. Really thought it was going to come back down and hit this 320 mark where it shot out from. But nope. It did not. So right now we're right in here. We'll see if it comes back or traces this. I don't think it will. I think we're looking more on the lines of something like this right now. Breakout coming soon. Again. Again. So we got breakout right around there. So this range that it's about to get into again. We'll see how much selling pressure is in there. What's up? Anyone got any questions? Get the chat going. Keep me occupied over here. Get the tunes back going here. I don't know about that one. Okay. I like this one. Hey. Gotta pump it up. Oh, it came back down. We're going back down. Not bad. Not bad. Huh. We'll draw it again. but hell yeah, man. Welcome. Guy's a boat painter, inhaling all the, what's the chemical you guys use? The fiberglass and that, I work with some guys that did boat painting and the fiberglass. And there's something you guys gotta put on that fiberglass to get it to stick, and it's like terrible for your health or something. So, bro, I hope financial freedom comes to you fast, man, and you just enjoy the rest of your life. The boat painter likes Propy. What else is the boat painter like? Thanks for checking out the stream, though, bro. Usually come out with just like update YouTube videos, but with all this crazy Propy stuff going on before Bitcoin breaks out, just want to jump in here and do it like we do any breakout stream. But we got a Discord I shared earlier before. I could reshare it if you want. Just share news. Got a bunch of other blue collar people in there just grinding out, man. Just finding ways for our money to work for us while we're out there working. Breaking our back for every dollar, man. Trying to make our dollar go the extra distance and work for us. And on this investment, seems to be working out pretty good so far. Question is, when will Bitcoin break out? You guys, you're in WagMe? You want me to pull up some WagMe charts? What about the dog with hat? Dog with hat I was looking at. The question I have to you, Boat Painter, and why we need you in Discord, is how do you get exposure to these Solana meme coins? That's my biggest question. Because they're not on Coinbase, not on Coinbase Wallet. So what do you get these dog with hat, these crazy Solana meme coins that are taking off? And when Bitcoin takes off and Solana rips up, they're only going to go up too. Still a lot of Pepe people. Resins. Fuck yeah. Goal is to get a boat myself one day, man. But then you get a boat and you don't have enough time to use it. A truck and just honestly a little boat that I could bass fish is all I could ask for. Alright, so we're hitting the bottom of this triangle now. Let's see if this pattern plays out the way we hope it does. Just gotta stay in this triangle. Even if it breaks below it and regains it, it'll be alright, but goal is to stay in this bullish triangle. Uh-oh, we're going down out of the triangle. Come on, hold it. Hold it. What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. How we doing today? I can't believe we're staying in this triangle. I drew it out like an hour ago. Time frame is super close, but we're reaching towards that upper side of the triangle now. Let's go. Come on. Question is, will we see one more pump today? Is the question. We're making higher lows, which is huge. If we keep on making higher lows, we'll be alright. Not, we'll go sideways for a little bit. Anywhere but down.
24/7 US-based customer service. It pays to Discover. Limitations apply. Learn more at discover.com/creditcard.
Come on, we're gonna see a breakout here or what? Come on now. Should pull up the RSI and see if we got volume coming in or what. This is one day, man. We made a huge move in a day. If we could get up to that next level by the end of the day. Huge things behind this crypto. we're breaking it. We're breaking it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go.
When you find a deal on your favorite thing in the McDonald's app and order it, does that technically count as online shopping? Save money with the app. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
At participating McDonald's, prices may vary.
I'm John Morgan of Morgan & Morgan. Why should you hire the largest injury firm in the world for your injury case? Let me count the ways. Your case will be handled by your lawyer, a paralegal, and a case manager who's always in the office for you when your lawyer's in court. There's also a 24-hour hotline if you ever have a question or a problem. We've collected over $20 billion and won a lot. Injured?
3 easy steps. True Green's online tools help customize a treatment plan for you. And it's all backed by the True Green Guarantee. Go to truegreen.com today to start your 3 easy steps and save 50% off your first application. It's time to trust your experts at True Green. Live life outside.
Yo, and I was right about the break off. I'm horse? Huh.
If you think Taco Bell is only for late night, you are mistaken. Taco Bell is also for daytime, which is why it's introducing the new Cantina Chicken menu with new Cantina Chicken tacos, burrito, and quesadilla. And new ingredients like seasoned slow roasted chicken, freshly prepared pico de gallo, shredded purple cabbage, and even a new avocado verde salsa packet. It's the Taco Bell for when it's not late night. Whoa, not just late night. Try the new Cantina Chicken menu now. At participating U.S. Taco Bell locations where supplies last. Contact store for participation restrictions.
Hi, we're Visible, the wireless company with nothing to hide. Get unlimited 5G data powered by Verizon for $25 a month, taxes and fees included. Sorry, hidden fees, we're just not into you. Switch today at Visible.com. Ready for service on the Visible plan. For additional terms and network management practices, see Visible.com.
Alright, we're back. Can I explain how I predicted it? Sure. Let me turn down the tunes. Do it real quick. And get back to work. Alright, turn the music down a little bit so I can think. Welcome to the stream. I had to walk the dog, so I had to run. Sorry I missed some of your messages. So I predicted that breakout off of the previous bottoms that came in here. You use those as support. So this triangle I drew here, once this bottom came in here off the breakout, I said, okay, let's use that as our bottom because there wasn't another confirmed bottom at that time. And from the previous moves that this has had, it's been pretty parabolic in a sense, where it comes back up to the all-time high to this line, like, and then breaks out. So we did something like this where we were making that triangle and coming back to that line. I knew it was only a matter of time, and there's still plenty of day left in the market to trade. The other problem is though that people are up and looking at it and also ready to sell right now. So we have a lot of up and down right now, which is fine, a lot of volatility, but we're making higher lows. We're still creeping up. That breakout was awesome though. Man, we couldn't get above this support line right here. This 3.70 cents. Strong resistance there, it looks like, which on the Fibonacci, I'd have to scroll over. It's not even labeled. Above the 2.618, in between the 3.618. But our next goal is the 3.618 up here, which in crypto is very common, which is our next level target of 386. So it would be amazing if it hit this by the end of the day. That's what we're rooting for, but we can't control where all the big money's going and when people are going to sell. I've been thinking about selling. I gave some advice earlier on hedging and just taking out your initial investment at this point, but they had only bought in like a day or two ago, so it's tough buying so recently. Like, usually when I invest in something, I invest because I believe it's going to do good in the long term. I don't like investing stuff, it's like, if it's a phase. Good calls. I'm hoping to buy in more around 3.3 if it drops. Okay, alright. So we do not think the run is over. I freaking love it. The only thing, when you pull this up on like Coinbase, I'm going to buy more 3.3. When you pull this up on Coinbase, the only thing I don't like about Propy, the history of its runs has been very sharp, meaning it goes straight up and straight down. So predicting this becomes really difficult. You could follow the Fibonacci scale and the strength and resistance levels, but when it gets to a certain point, when you're up here and you're in no man's land and you're hoping to go from 4.5 to 5 and that volume is coming out of thin air, we're gonna be talking about selling a lot more. This is the second to third push. So in Bitcoin, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, ABC correction. This is still one. This is still one big range. Maybe not the first up, but I believe this is the second up. You got to look at a zoomed out time frame to tell, and you can see if a crypto has another leg up to run. Like Bitcoin is on its third leg. It's made its first leg up, second leg up to all-time highs, and now we're waiting on the third. Like my coin today, I've been telling other people to look at is Litecoin because it hasn't taken its first leg up yet. So if this is a coin that is going to perform this next bull run, why not get in lower in the accumulation range, this red range here, and aim to get all those percent gains up in here to all-time highs and beyond? Why not take that risk instead of going with Bitcoin, who has already exerted, and it's up to 70,000. You got to look at the bigger time frame here. Like, see, Litecoin was still down here, and we're looking for these same formats, these same kind of stuff to form on Litecoin. Each crypto makes kind of different wavelengths, different patterns. But sometimes you see even from US stocks over to crypto, like a similar pattern from Tesla into Bitcoin. It's just how the chart works sometimes. The more charts you look at, you get better at telling if it's a bullish looking pattern forming, narrative, sentiment, good times to buy, all that good stuff. So I just suggest keep watching, keep your eye on the market. Right now we're approaching all-time highs, so this is a scary time to invest. But like a lot of my friends, you're just in it for a short investment anyway. So invest now, pull out at 98K. If it goes up to 150K, you still made money, you didn't lose money. But I would suggest swing trading in crypto, and also never sell a loss. I would never sell a loss in crypto. Unless you're using it to help you like balance your tax sheet at the end of the year or something. But I would never advise someone to sell crypto. Unless it's a penny stock and you're trying to break even. But top 100 coins, I believe that like incoming tide, it will all rise. That's what I believe. Yeah, invite some of your homies into the Discord, man. We're really new and open just to growth. So yeah, send the invite out, send the link around. I watch stocks all the time, and I can't wait for these prices to come to fruition that I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for 3-4 years now since the last bull run. I profited off it. I paid off student loans when other people just held and lost all the money again and are still holding until this time, waiting for a good time to make profit. Which, power to them, but I saw like a top in XRP. You can pull up the chart too real quick. This top over here at $1.80, I sold at $1.84. I sold right here before it started going down. Aw, sweet, man. Yeah, I usually come out with like weekly videos, but it's good to check, say weekly, monthly basis, and always have some cash reserves, some ammunition ready to jump into the next project. I can't wait to start investing with you guys and make some money together. I don't ask for money or anything for subscribers. You can donate if you want to. But we're out here all to do the same thing. We're all, kudos to you guys. You guys are here. You guys are listening. You guys want to learn. Why shouldn't we all make money off this together? It's the people who are turning the other way, don't believe in this technology, don't see the actual use cases. They're going to miss out. And I've tried to talk to them. I've tried. That was a crazy call on Propy, though. I can't believe it did play out. It did play out. It did come back, but it freaking broke out. That was mad money right there. Look at that shit. But now we broke out of this triangle, came back and retested it. You know what I'm gonna expect now, right? That is a terrible line. Let's see it. Come on, Propy. Show us what you're working with. Robin Hood up. How's DraftKings doing? DraftKings is up 1%. Damn, Nvidia's up 3-4%. I thought they were done running silver. $26. $28. That's SLV though, right? Amex. Nah, where's SLV? Huh.
It's like fresh as watching a sunrise in Santorini. Yeah, I'm gonna need more of those. Explore the new Glade Fresh collection today.
Yeah, if you guys are still in here, make sure you like the video too, man. It goes a long way, a lot further than you would believe. Just put a poll out there for you guys chilling. Let me know what you think. ATH is all-time highs. Ah, shit. And Propy is breaking below this triangle. This is where I feel like I should sell. But it's if it stays... Show us that. Show us something like this, will you? Diamond hands, you know it. If you don't mind me asking, I gotta ask. When I hear diamond hands, I want to know, how old are you? You know, like if you're saying diamond hands and you're 75 years old, I'm like, this guy's out of his mind. Like, you can't go to the grave with it. But if you're like 20s, 18, if you're a teenager saying diamond hands, all power to you. All power to you. Come on, stay in this triangle. Need a little oomph. Making like a W shaped on like the inverse. I can't believe we keep pushing upwards here. We found a green candle on the minute. Insane. I thought it was going to keep going lower. Crypto, man, surprises you all the time. So hard to predict. I'm happy you guys were watching when I got the 330 prediction. I was hyped for that. I stepped away, came back to that. I want to check my holdings at Propy right now, too. See how inflated. Come on, Propy, come on. Yeah, do you guys know about, like, what do you guys think about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and stuff? Is that, like, trash American meme coin cryptos to you, or do you think they're popular? What are your thoughts? You want to turn the music back up? We were jamming with the music earlier. Let me know if this is too high. It is good. Let's go, Propy. Come on.
Even if you don't have a Kroger store nearby, you can still get Kroger groceries delivered that are guaranteed fresh. Our refrigerated trucks and professional drivers will bring everything you need from the store to your door. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Be sure to enjoy $25 off your first 2 Kroger delivery orders with your digital coupon. $35 order minimum. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
Yeah, it goes to show you, for any of you guys listening, being diversified in crypto goes a long way. You can hold for years on one project and make money. Not doubting that. But the benefit of having the diverse bag, you can make passive income every month, every couple months. All it takes is one crypto to start taking off like Propy, and you're hedging. You're taking out your initial investment. You're letting the rest ride. You start hitting these resistant levels, and you go, all right, this is the third leg. How much does it have left? You start taking out 40% of your bag, making incredible percent gains. Let the rest to 60, 40% go a little bit further. Diamond Hands 12. No way. Andy 8. Is that like your Twitter name or something? Andy 8. I'm also 32. 32 seems like a baller age. I'm turning 28. I want passive income, baby. More and more and more. Eat it up. The banks aren't helping us. I don't know about you guys. Banks are not helping these days. Giving you a penny in your savings account. No thank you. I do like CDs, but you gotta stake so much money with your bank to get any real income there, which sucks. Like 20,000 in a 6-month period can earn you $1,000, but passive income. Did you check out the Pack Master node I was talking about earlier? That is I think that'll be my #1 passive income. Kenny's all about the vibes. Kenny, you got any Propy? We're not gonna steal it, we promise. Some people bought yesterday in here. I've had it since 34, 38 cents. Talking. I like turtles. Good for you. You just wanted me to say it. Kenny's an 8. Dude, monkeys have learned so much. They could use YouTube now. I'm guessing you guys are talking about Bored Ape. And my man C here is Andy 8. "12-year-old Andy 8. You guys trying to put me on an 8? I'm just trying to build a community here, alright? Wow. 12, you invested when you were 12 years old, bro. Super, I gotta say jealous. But also you're super insightful, you're super bright, and you got a good instinct. Keep rolling with your instinct, and you were doing something right. I love it. I want to learn from people like you, man. Being here, longest in the space, holding through it, has seen the market go up and down the most. Love it. Love it. Wilhelm. Yeah, you guys are showing up, jumping in my stream. Only a few viewers. Making a presence, man. Getting this chat going. I want to share this with as many people as I can. I really do. So I'm hoping with the bull market, it will flood a lot more people into this, into FOMO buying, which isn't good. But hopefully I could coach them out of selling before the market starts turning back down. But they got to be okay with selling a couple $100 worth of gains and not 1,000 gains. You know, people get into this space for massive gains, but when you FOMO into all-time highs, there's only so much you get out of it, and so many people end up holding through the 3-4 year bear market cycle because they FOMO'd in at the top. Aw. Kenny, respect, man. Love you too. Not enough love in the crypto space, and not enough education. There really isn't. There's so much out there, but only a small percent, like an iceberg, that's actually visible above water, actually know what crypto is about, know different avenues to use crypto, and know how to transfer crypto safely without making any errors or sending it to the wrong address, knowing who to trust. No, you didn't, Kenny. Honestly, I get selling your XRP right now, but I can't be the guy who sells my XRP bag and then it moons the next day, next week, whatever, and then I go, oh, it's because I just sold. I don't know if you're trolling with the turtle thing, but what kind of turtles you got? You need money for anything. I get that. It's life. And putting so much money in XRP in an asset that really doesn't move. Coinbase is lit. Coinbase is huge in the US here. #1 exchange over here. It's on the stock exchange now. Robinhood I don't like over here in the States because you can't do a lot with your cryptocurrency, and Robinhood keeps the address secure on Robinhood. So if they go bankrupt, they got your crypto. Can't move it off. Just an FYI. A lot of big politicians from US are in it though. Done with that report. On to the next one. Just balling out here, trying to get some work done. Oh, you don't get the Pack Master node? I got a YouTube video. It's one of the most views of a video I have. Let me get this volume off. Alright. Pack Master node, man. And starting a YanSafe wallet, it's called. The English is pretty weird. Let's build on the community, baby. Let's go, Wilhelm. Let's go. Let's go. I don't like straws in the water. Fuck no. I don't like Bitcoin because it uses too much gas. I have a very sustainable mindset. I want to help out as much as I can. If I could afford to drive a Tesla or EV car one day, there is a tax break for those people that are trying to be more sustainable, and that's the narrative of the market. Yet Bitcoin and its expensive gas fees and electric consumption and oil demand is still sought after. It's nuts. But yo, make sure you three go like the video and share like the Discord link with somebody you know. Jump in the Discord too. I gotta make sure I accepted everybody in here. I think we got C in here. I can share the Discord again. I know I pinned it. What did you say about the hood? Robin Hood, the exchange. Not a fan of it. They hold your crypto address. Don't let you trade or exchange it. I don't like that. Love the display. The app features are great. But I have what I have on there. I got some crypto on there. I invested, but who is that guy? Robin Hood, dude. You never seen those movies? They make a new Robin Hood movie every year. All right, Kenny, you're trolling, man. Thanks for jumping in here, getting the shit going. Bro, Kenny's wilding out here. Go off, Kenny. Go off, man. What's the rest of the crypto doing? Gold, silver, strong. Rest of the market doing solid. I mean, like 1-2%, not great. Propy up 20% today. Man, this has been a great day. This has been a fun day. I don't know if it's got more in the tank, man. I don't know if it could do more. Let it recycle into tomorrow, and let's get another 20% day. I like that. I don't know if it's got more in the tank. It may just play with this here. Let's see. Yo, you guys didn't like the video, man. What's up with that? It's not cool. Alright, we got likes. We got likes. Appreciate you guys. Community's hyped on, man, and we're getting into such an exciting time. So I hope if you guys sign up for like the alerts, if you guys really want to jump in here for all these breakout madnesses, because this isn't going to be scheduled. It's just going to be we're live again. We got another breakout, different coin, making money, different day. And then during the week, I'll make YouTube videos. They'll recap any news that comes out, all that good stuff. But I'll play some music, and let's see where this Propy price goes. If you guys want me to look at anything else crypto or have anything else to talk about, fire away.